Grounding involves connecting a metal structure to the grounding system, or earth ground, to safely dissipate electrical current. Bonding is connecting metal objects to each other to ensure they are at the same electrical potential. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, requires that all metal structures and building components that could become energized be grounded and bonded. This includes metal roofs and exterior wall panels. Article 250.116 addresses the grounding of metal enclosures and equipment. Specifically, 250.116 states that metal equipment, fittings, and armored cable associated with electrical installations and mounted on or attached to metal, ironwork, or other conductive surfaces shall be grounded. 250.116b states that the metal enclosures of electrical equipment shall be grounded, and a ground connection shall be provided for all exposed metal parts of attached equipment. In this case, both grounding and bonding are required. The metal roof and wall panels must be grounded to the earth ground system to dissipate electrical current safely. Additionally, they must be bonded to each other to ensure they are at the same electrical potential. The number of grounding and bonding points depends on the size and layout of the structure. Generally, a grounding or bonding point should be installed at each location where the metal panels are joined together or connected to other metal structures. For a barn of this size, consider installing grounding or bonding points approximately every 20 to 30 feet along the perimeter and at any other points where metal panels are connected. To establish the earth-ground connection, use ground rods or grounding electrodes. Bond the metal panels to the grounding system using copper bonding conductors sized according to the NEC. Ensure all connections are secure and weatherproof.